Hello friends, welcome to my channel Romcard. Today in this video I will show you how to root your device with Magisk 26.4. So the kernel issue is easy but somewhat not that secure. So why not use our old root king Magisk? So today in this video I'm going to show you exactly that, how to root your device with Magisk 26.4. So I have a pen drive right here, and in the pen drive I have copied the Magisk 26.4 APK as you can see. So first of all you need a custom recovery. So I'm using Realme 6 with the TWRP 3.7. So first of all I need to reboot to recovery. So the first thing you need to do is to install the APK. Okay, so the APK is now installed as you can see, but the Magisk is not installed, and in installed section you can see it says NA. That means it's not installed actually. So now what to do, just reboot into the custom recovery. So you can see the TWRP 3.7 has been booted. Now what to do, go to install, and you can see the internal storage is encrypted in Android 14. That's why I'm using the pen drive. So in the pen drive you can see we have the Magisk 26.4 APK. I will just click on that and swipe to flash it. So the installation of Magisk 26.4 is pretty much quick. So after that just click on reboot system and let the device reboot. Now after rebooting, just unlock the phone. Now you can eject the pen drive and open the Magisk app, and it will say requires additional setup, and this is nothing. So click on OK and the device will reboot. So you can see it's rebooting automatically. So after the first reboot, here it comes the second reboot. For that open the Magisk app and it will say requires additional setup. So click on OK and click on direct install, then click let's go, and it finally installs the Magisk as you can see. Now click on the reboot and here it goes the second reboot. So after the second reboot, open the Magisk app, and as you can see Magisk is now installed, but the payment apps will still not work because they will detect root. For that we need to do some changes. So first of all, hide the Magisk app, give it a name, for example Pixel. So the Magisk app is hidden. Then click on Magisk, turn on the Magisk and enforce deny list, and click on configure deny list, click on show system apps, then hide all the apps where you don't need the root, and that apps which may cause problem in root must be hidden. And for payment services, just turn off the Google Play services, then again another component of Google Play services, the Google Play Store, and the actual payment app, and this is also a payment app. And just like this, all the payment apps you have must be hidden. Now you can use any module for hiding Magisk. You can use any SafetyNet module. For that you can come to my group and search for SafetyNet, and you will find this module, this link. I will put the link of this file in the description. Just download the module. Now after downloading, open Magisk, go to modules, click install from storage and flash this module. Now after flashing this module, just click on reboot. So now if I check the SafetyNet, you can see it says passed in both the basic integrity and CTS profile, and even if you open the Google Play, that app will also work flawlessly, and just like this any other payment app will work flawlessly. So this is how you can root with Magisk 26.4 and also use the payment apps after fixing the SafetyNet. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and make sure to subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.